Like, I have been waiting for the month of September to end, the moment I've been waiting for.
Love her child, Jabby call me mister. When she send traps, me happy too.
Hey my guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Damola Kevwe. So my last month's videos, all through the month of September, I did friendship takeover. If you haven't watched any of the videos, you can check them out over here. So I figured, since I had a tag for last month, or a theme, since I had a theme for last month, I decided, let me try out getting another theme for this month. So this month is going to be my tag month. So basically I'm going to be doing popular trending YouTube tags. So if you have any tag that you would like me to do, drop it in the comments below and I will check it out. If I can, I will do that. If I can't, maybe another time that I have my tag month, I'll probably do that as well. So I will be starting this month's video with my favorite thing to do. I don't know if it's a tag, but because it's my favorite thing to do, I have to do it first, which is unboxing. So just think of this as an unboxing tag, because I have to do this unboxing because I have been waiting for the month of September to end to unbox this thing. I've had it now for over 2 weeks, but I said no because I already had like a plan for September. So now I can finally unbox my item. In case you're wondering what it is, you probably already know because it's already in the title. I will be unboxing my package from Aybee Luxury. I have been waiting for this moment since as long as I can remember. So, and you guys know that unboxing and I were like, if I could do that handshake thing on Twitter that's trending, but I can't, but you get the point. Unboxing and I are like this. So I'm going to unbox my, I don't know what to call it, my package from Aybee Luxury. So let's get unboxing. For those of you that don't know, Aybee Luxury is a brand that sells accessories for ladies, so jewelry, bags, stuff like that, necklaces, anklets, earrings, that's all under jewelry, and then bags. So I got 3 different sets of items from Aybee Luxury. The first 2 sets, I got the silver sets of the jewelry. I got 2 jewelry silver sets. So one is the big heart and one is the silver sun. No, the regular sun, yes. So the big heart and the regular sun. And then I got the Kevwe bag. So for those of you that don't know, well, I mean, obviously you can see that my YouTube channel's name is Damola Kevwe. So Aybee Luxury named this bag after yours truly. Yeah. So I also decided to get the Kevwe bag because I mean, like, the bag was already named after me. What else again is remaining? So I decided to get the Kevwe bag as well. So I'll be unboxing those 3 items: the regular sun silver set, the big heart silver set, and the Kevwe bag. So everything came in this bag. I don't know if you can see her. So this is one. So the jewelry sets are in this bag and the Kevwe bag is in this bag. So yes, so it comes with a thank you card that says thank you, PS, take a picture and send it to us. I'm going to give you guys pictures and videos because I'm extra. So yes, but we'll get to that part, but not right now. But yeah, that's the thank you card. Then let's open the jewelry set first. So I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, that, I don't know if it's clear. If it's not, I'm going to take pictures and show you guys as well. I'm going to make a montage wearing all these jewelry, so it's going to be a relatively long montage. So that's the first one. This is the regular sun. It comes with a necklace with matching earrings and 3 other sets of earrings as well. Then the big heart is that's the big heart. I don't know if you can see that as well, but if you can't, I'll put pictures up as well. So that's the first one. Okay, so that's the first one. And now the one that I have been waiting for forever is and now the moment you've all been waiting for, me especially. All right, so there, so see how cute the bag is already. I'm not opening it yet. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Like, can you see how cute this bag is? No, I'm sorry, maybe you're not looking at it well. Like, the bag is just you people, oh my god. If not for the fact that I had other bags, if I don't have any other bag, this bag will be my everyday everywhere bag, because it's so nice and it comes with like extra long straps and everything, so you can decide to go, like, if you want to go for like a dinner event, just like make it chic and all that. And if you want to go extra, maybe like for us that have CDS now, if I want to go my CDS and I want to look good but not too extra, I'll add the straps to the bag so that it will look like a sling bag. Is that what it's called? Sling bags? Yeah, sling bag. So yeah, that's the strap. What's next? It's time for my video montage, so stay tuned. I don't have like we'll be right back things, but stay tuned, sha. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I wasn't too extra. I don't know, see, like when I'm excited about these things, I don't have chill, so take it as it is. I'm sorry. So yeah, thank you for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, because why not? And I'm forgetting what I was supposed to say because I'm so happy. Subscribe. I said subscribe. Yes, please hit that subscribe button. Comment what other tags. Yes, sorry, like my mind is just comment what other tags you would like me to do. I think that's everything. Yes. Now, if you have an event that you want to invite me for, please let me know, because I'm ready. I am ready. So yes, but that's basically everything I have for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give it a big thumbs up, because why not? And I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Cheers. Table.
Cause my mama still love her child. Gia become minister. When she send traps, me happy to her finsta. She a bad girl and she learn from my sister. It's someone I want, so me call her.